Ever looked at Wall Street, at billion-dollar deals, at titans of industry and wondered, how do they know? How do they predict, persuade, and profit? What is the language they speak? That language, that crystal ball, that strategic blueprint, it's called financial modeling. And today, we are not just defining it, we are starting a journey to master it. Hey Bootcampers, welcome to another electrifying mini series of episodes on financial modeling. It will be the first of the sessions in the playlist Financial Concepts. So what is financial modeling? Simply put, it's the art and science of building a dynamic representation of a company's financial future. Think of it as a sophisticated spreadsheet, a powerful tool that translates business assumptions into concrete financial projections. It's a story told in numbers, a roadmap from today's reality to tomorrow's possibilities. But it is so much more than just numbers on a page. Financial modeling is the bedrock of modern finance. For companies, it's about strategic planning, deciding whether to launch a new product, enter a new market, or acquire a new competitor. For investors, it is about valuation, figuring out what a company is truly worth before putting millions or even billions on the line. For you, it's about unlocking a superpower, the power to understand business at its core. Now let's talk about the high-stakes world of investment banking. You have heard the term. These are the folks advising on massive mergers and acquisitions, structuring leveraged buyouts, taking companies public through IPOs. And what's at the heart of every single one of those deals? You guessed it, our financial model. Want to see if an acquisition makes sense? Build a model. Trying to figure out how much debt a company can handle in an LBO? Build a model. Pricing an IPO? The model is your guide. Investment bankers live and breathe these models. They are not just tools, they are the primary analytical weapons, their persuasion powerhouse, the foundation upon which fortunes are built and deals are closed. So, if you are aspiring to break into investment banking, equity research, private equity, or even high-level corporate finance, listen closely. Financial modeling isn't just a nice-to-have skill. It's the gatekeeper. In those intense interviews, they are not just testing your knowledge of the formulas. They are testing your analytical thinking, your problem-solving abilities, your attention to details, and your ability to handle pressure. A financial modeling case study or technical questions about it. That's where you prove your mettle. Nailing financial modeling questions shows them you can think like a banker, that you can dissect a business, understand its drivers, and project its future. It's your golden ticket. But beyond the job prospects, learning financial modeling fundamentally changes how you see the world. It's like gaining financial X-ray vision. Suddenly, company earning reports aren't just numbers, they are the clues. Business news isn't just headlines, it's the data you can incorporate. You'll start to see the interconnectedness of economic events, company strategies, and financial outcomes. You will look at a startup pitching for funds, and you will intuitively understand the questions to ask about their revenue projections and the cash burn. You will analyze a mature company and you'll pinpoint its key value drivers and potential risks. It's a shift from being a passive observer to an active, insightful analyst. You will literally see the financial matrix behind every business. Now I know you're probably fired up, ready to jump in and start building these powerful models. And trust me, we will get there. We will build complex, real-world models from scratch. But imagine trying to write a novel without understanding grammar, or compose a symphony without knowing music theory. Financial modeling is no different. To truly master it, to avoid it feeling like a confusing mess of jargons and formulas, we need to lay a rock-solid foundation. There are a few core concepts, the absolute essentials that we must conquer first. Think of them as the pillars supporting your entire financial modeling skill set. Financial statements and their interrelationships, the very language of business, the time value of money, understanding that $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow, absolutely fundamental. Capital structure and the cost of capital, how companies fund themselves and what that funding truly costs, and an overview of valuation techniques, the art and science of determining what a company is truly worth. Now we have listened to all your feedback out there. We have seen the gaps. Most of you have expressed frustration with financial modeling content that's either too superficial, riddled with errors, or just plain confusing. That's why this channel is going to be different. You have asked for scenario, sensitivity, and stress testing explained clearly. We will dedicate segments to demystify these with real-world examples. No more head scratching. Need step-by-step project finance modeling, especially for a real-life company, covering debt structuring, DSCRs, and IRR? We are on it. Confused by the detailed debt, depreciation, and working capital schedules? We will build them, link them, and even show you how to automate parts. Wondering where to get the realistic assumptions? We will teach you how to pull data from the data vendors, investor reports, and macro sources. No more guessing. Tired of black box models? We will emphasize error checks and model integrity techniques, showing you how to audit and maintain accuracy. And yes, we will show you how to create stunning dashboards and visualizations, because numbers need to tell a compelling story. We will tackle industry-specific models, provide clear interview questions and resume guidance, and even clarify career roles and whether coding is a must. Our commitment is to provide crystal clear, practical, step-by-step guidance. We will break down the complex, tackle the tricky, and ensure you understand not just how, but the crucial why. We will address those common errors you have seen elsewhere and teach you how to verify your own calculations. So, if you're ready to stop feeling intimidated by finance and start wielding its most powerful tools, you are in the right place. This isn't just another tutorial series, it's your launchpad. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because our very next videos will dive deep into those 4 foundational pillars, starting with financial statements and their interrelationships and the concept of time value of money. You don't want to miss it. Get ready to transform your understanding of business, ace those interviews, and unlock a new way of thinking. Welcome to the journey.